made a transmission mount here that you can unbolt and take these pieces off,
Yeah.
and you can unbolt this on the bottom
Okay.
so that the transmission's sitting at the right height.
Okay. So everything's level and ready to go here,
Yeah,
or?
ready to go. I got a little bit of welding to do.
Okay.
And then we got this drive shaft I got to cut.
Okay.
And this is the yoke that goes into the transmission.
Okay.
This end.
Yeah.
Now I got to get the right bearing caps for in here. Right?
Okay.
Then we'll cut the drive shaft off the length we need and put it all together, and that's done then.
Okay. So nearing the end then.
Well, just on the motor transmission drive shaft. This is finished now. All this is back in.
Oh right. Okay. Yeah. Was there much work there, or?
Yeah, they had butchered there for nothing because it actually did fit without butchering.
Okay.
And this plate here, they had cut a hole in it to run the drive shaft through.
Yeah.
So I put a plate in behind it. That's just to stop the air and the snow from going in.
Okay.
So this piece is welded in.
Yeah.
And you can't take the transmission out with that in there. So what we done is we cut it on both sides.
Okay, I see that. Yeah.
And now we'll put a plate in here with 6 cap screws
Yeah.
on each side, and that'll stiffen it up again. And in the future, if you want to fool around there, you just take this plate out.
Okay. What you see here every day, guys, is a couple minutes of every day of what Dad does, and it's a progress every single day, doing something always. So as he puts everything together, you know, like, comment, share, subscribe. He likes seeing the comments for sure. And don't be afraid to reach out to us and contact us on Facebook if you have any questions. And that's it.